Hey guys, so I've had some people ask me about some of the verifying identities, that problem set sheet from the OpenStax textbook. So I am going to go through some of them that have been requested, and I'll do as many as I can. I've got, I think, 5 that have been requested, and maybe this will help you out. Alright, this is number 10. This is verifying trig identities. Okay, let's start with this guy. That is 3 times the sine cubed of theta times the cosecant of theta plus cosecant squared of theta plus 2 times cosine negative theta times cosine theta. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and start converting things into terms of sine and cosine. So I'm going to take this guy and I'm just going to put him over 1. So it's 3 times sine cubed of theta. And I'm going to convert cosecant theta to 1 over sine of theta. Then I'm going to bring down my cosine squared, so it's plus cosine squared theta. And you know that cosine is an even function. If it's an even function, then negative theta is going to have no effect on the overall value of cosine. So it's going to remain cosine theta and then times this other cosine theta. Alright, so now we've got sine goes into sine cubed and leaves me with sine squared theta. So I have 3 times sine squared theta plus cosine squared theta plus 2 times cosine is cosine squared theta. Alright, we can combine these because they are like trig ratios. So we have 3 sine squared of theta plus 1 cosine squared of theta plus 2 cosine squared of theta is 3 cosine squared of theta. And if you factor out a 3, then you can realize here how nice this is, that we are left with Pythagorean identity, and that gives us 3 times 1, which is 3. Okay, so that's number 10. I'll be back in a sec.